Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and it's gonna be a greasy one this time. Yes, very greasy. We're doing the last two stages, as you saw, of the Batmobile Tumbler. In front of me you see the parts that these rails, and they have on this side and on that side, and that one, they all need to work properly to get it all together. So this is going to be something. I really hope that it all works, because I've heard that quite a lot of people had some problems with it, but let's get to it. So another thing as well, if you don't hear me, that's because I'm in concentration mode. And as always, if I say SMPR, PP or whatever kind of things, I'm referring to screw types. All right, so let's put this to the side and start with stage number 119, which is not very wild, or there's not a lot to do. The bottom plate and the cable then had to be redone, but I've done that already in a previous stage. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that has been done. So we're going to put that plate on, big plate on, put the batteries in, and that's it. So these two we're going to get out. Oh my goodness Christ, this is heavy, and I need to put something under it. And it's hard for me to show you, but I'll move a camera in a moment. So this little cable is the cable that we needed to redo. So that has been done, and then that speaker has been turned around, so we can put that one on. Is it pretty visible? There we go. And we're putting some AMs on that, and I'm not letting go. Where's my oil dipper? So as I already said, this is not the hardest of the two parts. This is actually the very easy part, but be careful where you put it and how you put it. But let's put all these AAMs on and come back to you. Okay, last screw to put in, and then just batteries and the cover. So we're gonna put these batteries in. I thought I had all the screws. I need one more. How come I didn't have enough? And cannot do everything, but headlights, spotlights, these above. So those are the headlights that you saw. Spotlights here, jet booster, left, okay, right, left, all right, spoilers, you saw them move up, did you? They're going down. And you need them up, so because I'm doing something with cockpit I can't do, dashboard lights I can, and I can tell you they're on. As you can see, let me just turn that around so I can see what I'm filming. Right there and there's right there, and there's some light in there as well, as you can see. All right, so I have dashboard lights and Canon. Jet boost. I think I need to turn it around to show you the jet boost. If I can turn around. Okay, where's the jet boost? Jet boost. So all of that electrics is working. Now where is that switch? There's that switch. You can hardly feel it. And we're now working right here. We're starting with the back end. We're going to put some spoiler tips in all these points, which we got in. I need to show you the magazine, but I'm happy that what is going on now is working. Steering wheel's working, steering is working, everything is working, so I'm gonna hope that stays that way. But I need to show you the magazine first. Okay, 120, as you can see right there. Then we're going to put those in. I'm not going to put that double-sided tape on, but I'm going to glue them in on all sides, as you see. Then we're going to switch it on and connect. We're going to connect all wires, and then switch it on and see if the up and down thing works, because it needs to work. Then we're going to put that one in, critical part, and everything needs to be fully greased, and we see what's going on. Then we're going to check if the window, the screen front screen comes down. Then we need to put the wires away neatly. And when that is done, I can show you everything, all the lights that are working, or which I have just shown you most of it. And then that is finish. So let's get to doing that. We start with those winglet things, aerials that come out. So let's open that box. These chucks I don't usually use, so I can chuck them, but I'm going to put them right here for the moment with the spare window I have. There we go. These are the aerials I was talking about. Let's put Susie here and start on this side. Now, let's see which ones we get out first. The longer ones. And I'm just cutting them off the sprue. Let's see which wings we are going to put them on. The rear wings. So these. So I'm getting my super glue out. Yeah, well then I'm going to do my own thing. I've now glued them in, but I've glued the wrong ones in. I just found that if you put the antenna there, you've got a better reception. So B is there. That one, okay. My goodness gracious. Why is it that I can't get it in? There we go. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Glue everywhere. That one, then the last one, and then we're going to go to the one that I'm dreading a little bit, because a lot of people have been having problems with that, and I've got the glue on my fingers already. So we've got all these antennae on this side. That lazy Susie is handy, although this is a massive build, it still works. All those antennae are on, and we're going to the cockpit, putting together the cockpit. All right. Okay, everything's connected. Wow. Got my switches the wrong way around, and that means I just need to turn around the switches because I can't put these around. I can't put these in any other way, so I need to turn the connectors because it's not doing anything else. But okay, no, that's the wrong one. Yep, had the switches the wrong way around. Okay, let's open up the cockpit. I'm so happy. It all works. Come on. Why is it not working now? I've got a broken switch. I've got more problems now. Switch 26 is not working. Everything seemed to be working fine until switch 26. I need to have a look around if I have switches somewhere. Okay, I'm going to stop everything because I haven't got the switch 26. Well, I've got the switch 26, but it's not working, so I can't do anything about that. So that will be it for for now. As long as when I have that fix in, I can do the rest of it. But thank you very much for joining me this time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and then join me that next time. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.